T.Rodon Smart Basic Interface tutorial. This tutorial describes the basic functionality of the T.Rodon interface. After logging in, you will see this screen. The actual layout will differ depending on which plugin modules you have activated. This is covered in a separate tutorial. On the left-hand side, we have the Communications panel. Here we see the talk group and the zone information. The active talk group has a blue loudspeaker icon after the talk group name. Below the talk group name is a list of the individual users currently active within the talk group. From this panel, we can make both group and individual calls, as well as change talk groups. This area contains the various plugin modules that give T.Rodon its additional functionality. Each plugin is covered by a separate video tutorial. They include text and image messaging, dynamic group allocation, and events journal, among others. This area contains the settings panel and map tools functionality. The settings panel allows you to customize the workspace by adding or removing the various plugins. Once set up correctly, it is unlikely that you will need to alter any of these settings. Map tools is covered by a separate tutorial, and when activated will display the map overlaid with the locations of the users. The central workspace will change depending on which of the plugins you have selected. Currently we have the messaging plugin selected, but as you can see, each plugin displays a different working interface. For more information and additional video tutorials, visit www.support.g6-global.com.